We did a very deep evaluation before selecting Momentum, and it was largely because of the team. We noticed that they were building very quickly. They built amazing features that were very important to us. They were able to meet us where we're at and be embedded in our RevOps team and sales team and really cared about what our sales team cared about. Some of the key reasons why we selected Momentum are, one, the core feature set was great, but also their product roadmap of leaning into the AI capabilities that are available today. Using Momentum, it's cut the time in half for sellers to progress their deals in Salesforce. It's a big time save. They're using one system to do it. It's an amazing UI. Momentum's been a great partner in general. They've helped accelerate our go-to-market motions incredibly. They've helped keep our data quality very high. They're great for a hyperscaling org. Day-to-day, we're in Momentum a lot. We have hundreds of alerts going out. They're all built for a very specific purpose. The end users really love getting these alerts.